Namaste to all yogis. I believe that you are doing great and practicing yoga to stay healthy and happy. In today's class, one of the amazing asana we will learn, and that is a variation of Paschimottanasana. And in Paschimottanasana there are so many variations. So one of the variation we will learn, and that is hip opening variations. In this pose, if you do regularly, it will help you to improve the hip flexibility. It will help you to improve the flexibility in the knees joint. So you will see in this coming video. Stay tuned, see the whole video, learn step by step, perform it and add on in your daily routine, daily practice. Let's get started.
ARDHA BADDHA PADMA PASCHIMOTTANASANA. ARDHA, half. BADDHA, binded. Padma means lotus. Paschimottanasana means the back body stretching pose. So half binded lotus and then Paschimottanasana. This is a Paschimottanasana variation. It is not a different pose. All the foundational techniques will remain same as you did in Paschimottanasana, but just the variation is this is half lotus Paschimottanasana. That is it. Understand now. Now when we do Paschimottanasana, half lotus, just bend. Many of us, we lift the leg like this. Don't do. Do one thing very easily. So what we will do is that we first rotate external, drop the leg side, because if you lift up, you are disturbing the foundation of the buttocks. I don't want you to do this. So just you need to bend, rotate, and then you bend simply. Then when you bend already, see here, when this gap is there, automatically this gap should not change in half lotus. Many people, when they do half lotus, we twist the leg opposite, like this way. You see? This way, opposite side. No, you cannot twist the knee too much. Just bend here, just bend simply, because knee doesn't have the rotation and twisting movement. Knee have only flexion and extension. So you need to understand the anatomy of the body before you applying into the asana practice. So first, again see, rotate, just drop simply, bend. Now take the leg on the top. So what in this pose, it is very important point is that we need to keep our heel to the navel, below the navel. So when I'm bringing the leg up, you can see here now, my leg is not below the navel, but it's outside. How to bring it below the navel, how to do it properly. So what I want you to do is, you just stretch the groin, the bottom hip, stretch it and place the heel below the navel and then bring the knee forward like this. See now, my heel is below my navel. So now this is how you will bring the leg. One more time, understand. From the other side, bend, this is one way, drop. Then bend the knee and just simply bring open hip, keep the heel below the navel and bring the hip inside. One way. Another way, first drop, bend slightly, simply put this gap, like just fix it. Now don't change this gap and just lift and bring it here. So this leg is adjusted. Now check, knees are facing to the left side or right side, whichever leg is you are using, or it is facing front. Understand, when you do ARDHA BADDHA PADMA PASCHIMOTTANASANA, the knee is a little bit forward. Why? Because if the knee is side, your hip also will see. If I'm moving my knee, my hip is moving here. So if the knee is side, my hip will go move to the left side. So my body will go to the left side, obviously. So if you do Paschimottanasana with this way, this body structure, what will happen? Instead of Paschimottanasana, you will do Triyaka Paschimottanasana or Parivritta Paschimottanasana, which is twisting. How to avoid this? So that's why inside this, knee facing front. So here, you already adjusted this leg. Now, this leg, what is the Dandasana? As I told you that all the sitting sequence, what is a base pose? Dandasana. So Dandasana leg is what? It was outside or it was center? It was center. So I will adjust my right leg into Dandasana now, the same. What was the basic key point of Dandasana? Outer edge of the foot inside, towards you, toes towards you, not too much flexion ankle, little bit where it can touch the heel. Now I place my right leg in Dandasana. So lower body is fixed. Now upper body work. What you are doing in Dandasana upper body? You are extending. So I want you to extend and sit straight. Drop the knee down and sit straight. Okay. Now upper body is also fixed. Now third, rotation of the arm to grab the foot. This is intense because here you need flexibility and here you need flexibility where? On your shoulders. How to do this? I want to give you one technique which will be easy. Don't just wrap like this. No. Understand first. Raise the hands, upper, rotate this down. So hands like this, rotate this down. It will give you rotation of the shoulder socket. And when the rotation comes, lift the hands up and down. Make a nice upper swing. Make a zero like this. Rotate up and then open and grab. So it will come here. That's how you will hold. How to hold? So you can see here, I'm holding my, not only the big toe, I'm holding the bone of the big toe and thumb is inside. So if I'll show you more closer look. So closer look will be like this. You are holding here. But when you hold here, you can see my body is going to the left side. And now my challenge is, I need to first bring my body to the center. And for that, I need rotation of the hip inside. And that's how I will come to centering pose. Now you hold from the side, don't hold from the front, don't hold like this. Why we shouldn't hold like this? Many people, they hold big toe. Because if you hold the big toe, see, there's no control of the foot. It will go outside. That's why don't hold the big toe. Hold from the side, even if it is possible for you from the heel. It is much better to keep the leg stable because my right arm will fix on my right leg. So it will not allow my body to fall to the right side. So once you're already there, you hold. Now inhale up, navel automatically, exhale down. And then you touch the chin, watch the foot. Once you come out, inhale, you exhale one time and then you release. Then you change. Other side. Let's try other side just to show and you can understand. Same. What we are doing? Drop, bend, fix the gap. Don't open the gap. Bring it up below the navel. Drop the knee. Up, rotate, wrap and hold. This way. Now, this leg inside rotation, open the foot, hold here, straighten the back and exhale down. And then you touch here. Then inhale, release and then come back to Dandasana. This is the pose.
Hope you enjoy this pose. If you enjoyed, like this YouTube channel, subscribe this YouTube channel and share this YouTube channel to your friends and family. Namaste. See you soon.